Ella's Bubbles walk-in tubs come with a choice of deck controls. On-off push controls, or the digital touchpad. The on-off push controls require a gentle push to activate. To start the air massage, touch the air button once for high speed, push a second time for medium speed, a third time for low speed, and a fourth time to shut off. The hydro massage starts with one touch of the water button. Jet stream intensity is controlled with the intensity control dial. To control the air massage on the digital touchpad, touch the air bubble icon once to activate. To increase the intensity, touch the plus button. To decrease the intensity, touch the minus button. To turn off, hold the air bubble icon down for 2 seconds. To activate the hydro massage on the digital touchpad, simply press the hydro button once. Intensity of the hydro massage is adjusted with the intensity control dial. To shut off the hydro massage, push the hydro button once again. Light chromotherapy functions the same with push button or digital touchpad. Press the button once for the full range of colors. Repeating a single press selects a specific color. Finally, hold for 2 seconds to turn the light off.